This is Kylie playing with a piece of plastic.
Excuse me, sir. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm not a troublemaker.
And there's a little bit.
Skip. Okay, no more hitting. Did you hear what I just said? No more hitting. Skip. All right, turn around. You want to stay late tonight? I said turn around. Okay, let's get out of here. Come on, so long. Harry, I'm drinking. Skip. Get out. So long, suckers. Hey, Harry. He thinks he's a horse. Help me. Harry, do it. Do it. Oh, please. He's sick. See, you don't have his foot pills. He's not. He's got lungs. Please, now, please, man. Harry, help me, Harry. Harry. Skip. Oh, shit, Skip. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, Skip. Oh. It's okay. It's okay.